If you're a homeowner in Cayce, South Carolina, you know that the weather can vary dramatically throughout the year. From hot, humid summers to chilly winters, your home's energy needs shift with the seasons. One of the most effective ways to enhance your home's energy efficiency and reduce utility costs is by installing energy-efficient windows. Not only do these windows help regulate indoor temperatures, but they also offer a variety of other benefits that improve both your home's comfort and its long-term value. Enhanced energy efficiency and lower utility bills. The primary reason many homeowners in Cayce opt for energy-efficient windows is to reduce their energy consumption. Traditional windows can be a significant source of heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. This means your heating and cooling systems must work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor environment, which leads to higher utility bills. Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize these losses. They feature multiple layers of glass, gas-filled spaces, and special coatings that reflect heat. These windows help keep the indoor temperature stable, reducing the need for air conditioning in the summer and heating in the winter. As a result, you'll notice a decrease in your monthly energy bills, making the initial investment in energy-efficient windows well worth it. Improved comfort year-round. In addition to reducing your energy bills, energy-efficient windows significantly improve the comfort level inside your home. During the warmer months, energy-efficient windows prevent the heat from the outside from seeping into your home. Conversely, in winter, they keep the warm air inside. This means that the temperature in your home will be more consistent throughout the day, and you won't have to deal with hot or cold spots near your windows. If you've ever sat near a drafty window during the winter or been uncomfortable near a sun-facing window in the summer, you know how disruptive it can be. With energy-efficient windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable living environment year-round. Noise reduction. Energy-efficient windows can also help reduce the amount of outside noise that enters your home. Whether you live near a busy street, in a neighborhood with lots of foot traffic, or near a train or highway, the additional soundproofing provided by energy-efficient windows can make a big difference. These windows are designed with thicker glass, multiple panes, and insulating gas fills, all of which help to block out unwanted noise. This creates a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment, which is especially important for homeowners who work from home or value their privacy. Increased property value. Another compelling reason to invest in energy-efficient windows for your Cayce home is the potential to increase your property's value. Homebuyers are increasingly looking for energy-efficient features when shopping for a new home, as they recognize the long-term savings and environmental benefits. By upgrading your windows to more energy-efficient options, you not only improve your home's energy performance but also make it more attractive to future buyers. Homes with energy-efficient features tend to sell faster and at higher prices compared to those without. In a competitive real estate market like Cayce, where many buyers are looking to lower their energy costs, having energy-efficient windows can be a selling point that sets your home apart from others. Environmental impact. Installing energy-efficient windows doesn't just benefit your wallet, it's also good for the environment. By reducing your energy consumption, you're decreasing the demand for electricity, which in turn lowers the amount of fossil fuels burned to generate power. This reduction in energy usage can significantly lower your home's carbon footprint, helping to contribute to a greener planet. In Cayce, where residents are increasingly aware of the importance of sustainability, installing energy-efficient windows is an easy way to make an eco-friendly change. You'll be doing your part to reduce greenhouse gas emissions while also enjoying the personal benefits of lower energy costs. Protection from UV damage. Another benefit of energy-efficient windows is their ability to protect your furniture, flooring, and other belongings from UV damage. The special coatings on these windows block harmful ultraviolet rays, which can cause fading and deterioration over time. This means that your curtains, rugs, furniture, and artwork will maintain their color and integrity longer, helping you preserve the beauty and value of your home's interior. Final thoughts. Energy-efficient windows offer a wide range of advantages for homeowners in Cayce, South Carolina. From reducing your energy bills and improving comfort to enhancing your property value and contributing to environmental sustainability, these windows are a smart investment for any homeowner looking to improve their home. If you're ready to upgrade your windows and enjoy the many benefits they offer, consider making the switch to energy-efficient options today. Not only will you save money, but you'll also enhance the overall comfort and value of your home for years to come.